Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Tombow fudenosuke. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. So this is a set of two calligraphy brush pens, and you can see that there are two colors here. This is like a greenish black, and then there is a dark blue, and there is a hard tip and a soft tip. So one of them is going to be a hard tip, one of them is going to be a soft tip. I got this for INR 260 at a local store, and you can use this for a lot of things like lettering, journaling, sketching, and it's also water resistant. So the main purpose why I got this is for sketching, because I do a lot of sketching and I want to use something which is water resistant because it's really easy for me to use them on the go. So I have used these brush pens before, but this is the first time that I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review for you guys. So let's see how these pens are. Very simple packaging. It's really easy to get them out. So this is what each pen looks like. It has the brand name over here, which is the Tombow, and then these are in different languages. It says it's a brush pen, and this is black in color inside. And it does not tell me whether this is the hard tip or the soft tip. So we will use this and find out. And this has the exact same details. So let me get out my sketchbook and we'll create something fun. This is the watercolor paper. It's 300 GSM, so we'll try and create something on this and we'll see how these are. So when I open it, this is how the nib is, and when I try to write, this is so beautiful. I don't do calligraphy, so I won't be able to show you how it works when it does calligraphy, but if I have to do like a quick sketch, if I'm outdoors and there's a building, or let's say there are some people, then it's very easy for me to do a sketch. So this is one, and let's see how this is. This is definitely the hard tip. So the blue one is the hard tip, and the black or the greenish one is the soft tip. So the use of it for sketching would be when you want to do really smaller details. Then the hard tip is very good because I don't have to push my brush pen through. It does not come out very well if I do that. So if I'm going to make small tiny details, this is really good. And if I'm going to make longer details, let's say I have to make lines like this, then I would definitely use the soft tip. So we'll test out now and see whether this is waterproof. So I'm just going to get some water and we'll try and put it on this. So you can see it is completely waterproof, and I can even pick out some watercolor paints and try it on top of this. So you can also use it for a variety of purposes. For example, I can just put some paint first, wait for this to dry, and then add the colors on top. So that's also another way of doing this. So for INR 260, I think these pens are really useful. You also get them individually if you want to buy them, and if you don't want to buy it as a set together, I have seen the availability of both. I think each one individually also is the same cost, I think 135 each. So you can go check it out. I hope today's video was helpful for you to understand if these pens would solve your needs, and I will see you soon for the next one. Bye bye.